Hi, it's Peter Park, it's 72, how are you? Well, what a lovely weekend we just had. Yeah, absolutely brilliant, and the weather now, brilliant. That's the surface smash. And why do I always keep going about the weather? I don't know. Perhaps because it's nice. Means we get about, sort things out. It was nice of you. It was nice to have met you all anyway, much appreciated. Much appreciated. Sounds like I fucking did it for me. I think so. I'll tell you one thing, Apple. You're a tall chappy wappy, aren't you, mate? Eh? Max is the same sort of height as me. I'll tell you what, you make me look like a dwarf. No, I'm first. Thank you very much to Non-Angler Biker, Picklepoo, KTM, Dutchrudder, and all the other organisers. Absolutely brilliant, smashing. Shame, like I said, shame I didn't actually come up with a ride round, but sorry. Anyway, it was a nice ride, much appreciated. I don't know if the bike appreciated it, but it's not done anything silly. Seems okay. Okay! It's the longest trip it's had in years. Yes, I know it's only Matlock down the road and all that, and 110 miles round trip, you know, but it's still 110 miles on a scooter, 250 scooter, doing almost 70 all the way on the motorway, then between the 40s, 50s, and back to 40s and 30s, and all the rest of it. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was alright two up because I had my son on the back as well. She didn't cost that much to film. As I said to Ross, I said, yeah, so it didn't cost out to run. But I would love a CBR 600. The late rider pointed out he'd done a really good job on his videos for that kind of thing. Really good. I just wish, if I had the money, matey, I would have one. Trust me, because I do love them. And the colour schemes, even though it may be a 2001 colour scheme, but I'll tell you one thing, I do like them bikes. I do love them. I mean, this is a Honda Foresight 250 scooter, or should I say Maxi scooter. Scooter's fucking, you know, underestimated. Like I keep saying, one day I'll get back up there. Hey, easy tiger. Oh look, it's Baron! No, it could have been him. It's the wrong place anyway, but here you're home cuddling a little baby now. And yeah, congratulations mate on your baby. And congratulations, you know, congratulations missus and all that, and hope you all do well. And where you going? In rush, mate, in a rush. Oh, I've got to be bloody true to myself, haven't I? And you lot, I just can't. I'd love to be like you lot, you know what I mean? Problem is, I haven't got that in me at the minute. Well, sorry, I ain't got that in me. Ha 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 ha. Oh my bud, yeah, poor old Kai and his bottom. He did love that ride up. But yeah, all good fun. All good fun, all in the name of fun. Come on, slow ass! Jesus Christ, get out and walk quicker. I was dozy as you. I wish I was like you lot, I tell you. Maybe when I get into it a bit more and I'll chill. I don't know, it's in jokes, but it's not the same doing it on your own. I'll tell you one thing though, you lot are the same as you are on video. Yeah. love you all anyway. Absolutely brilliant weekend for it. Absolutely great. I ain't been up there for years, so you've done sick for me anyway, because got out and about and enjoyed it.